Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the verse that I want to share with you is in the book of Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1. Now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance of what we do not see. Living a life of faith. Mayroon po tayong 5 practical points na dapat nating matutunan. Number 1, every day I will remind myself of God's promises and trust that He is in control even when I cannot see the outcome. Trusting in God daily builds our confidence in what we hope for and assures us of His unseen work in our lives. Ang pagtitiwala sa Diyos araw-araw ay tulad ng pagtatanim ng mga binhi sa isang garden. Ang bawat kilos ng pagtitiwala ay nagiging mas matatag na relasyon sa Kanya. Pangalawang practical points na dapat nating matutunan. I will pray with expectation, believing that God listens to my prayers and will answer them according to His will. Prayer strengthens our faith, reinforcing our assurance in what we do not see, and trusting in God's perfect timing. Ang panalangin na may inaasahan ay tulad ng pagpapadala ng liham at sabik na hinihintay ang sagot. Nagkikipag-ugnayan tayo sa Diyos, tiwala na naririnig niya tayo at tutugon. Pangatlong practical points na dapat nating matutunan. I will take steps of faith based on God's promises. Even when the path is unclear, trusting that He will guide me. Acting on God's promises demonstrates our confidence in His faithfulness and our assurance in His guidance. Ang paggawa ayon sa mga pangako ng Diyos ay tulad ng pag-apak sa isang tulay na tumatawid sa malalim na lambak. Bagamat hindi natin makita ang kabilang panig, nagtitiwala tayo na ang tulay ay matatag. Pang-apat na practical points na dapat nating matutunan. I will regularly reflect on how God has been faithful in my past, using these memories to strengthen my faith for the future. Remembering God's faithfulness in the past reassures us of His continued presence and care, deepening our faith. Ang pagninilay sa nakaraang katapatan ng Diyos ay tulad ng pagtingin sa isang scrapbook ng mga alaala. Ipinapaalala nito sa atin kung paano siya kumilos sa ating buhay at nagpapalakas ang ating pananampalataya. Pang-5 practical points na dapat nating matutunan. I will actively participate in my faith community, seeking encouragement and offering support to others as we grow together. A community of faith provides mutual encouragement and assurance, helping us to maintain confidence in our spiritual journey. Ang pakikilahok sa pamayanan ng mga mananampalataya ay tulad ng pagsali sa isang kupunan kung saan ang bawat miyembro ay sumusuporta at naghihikayat sa isa't isa. Sama-sama, ang ating pananampalataya ay lumalakas. Living a life of faith means trusting God daily, praying with expectation, and connecting with fellow believers. These steps strengthen my faith and help me walk confidently in His guidance, living with confidence and hope.